Hey, good morning guys. We are now on our second day on our trip to Nha Trang. And we are going snorkeling today. And today is 29 degrees out and it's expected to be 32 degrees later on. So we have our Grab car here and we're going to the port where we will be going snorkeling. Okay, see you later.
Yes, it's natural.
It's natural.
Yeah,
All right.
natural.
We are now on the Grab car, moving towards the port area where we will be taking a boat going to an island somewhere. I don't know which island is that. Which island is that, Kat?
It's very hard to pronounce.
And we have here, this is Baby Oi, there's Yon Yon, there's Kat, and there's Bri. And in front is Winchell, although we cannot see Winchell here.
Too big, blocking the camera.
So in about maybe 10 minutes, we'll be there, right?
Yes.
Okay.
4 kilometers.
4 kilometers. That's how they pronounce it here in Vietnam, kilometer. That's 4 kilometers for you guys. Right?
I wanna flex the sunflake original. Face,
Oh yeah.
Oh my god.
Just a reminder for all of you guys who are heading out to the beach, apply your sunblocks, alright?
Courtesy of you.
Yeah, thank you, Yon.
It's a good thing all my friends bring their sunblocks. Yeah, I don't need to buy my own because every one of them have their sunblocks.
That's the benefit of having friends like us.
That's why I go with you guys, right?
Yes, because of the sunflower.
Parang nasabi ko.
Hindi ko lang sa fruit and water. Hindi ka lumulutan. Kahit walang bike pets. Gawa lang yung ano.
Ayan, dumating na tayo dito sa may port area kung saan tayo sasakay ng bangka papunta ng island hopping. And ito sila, bumibili pa ng mga anik-anik sombrero para hindi daw mangitim ang mga mukha.
Pero kung napasay sa cellphone ka na, wala pa yun.
Balik tayo pag pasakay na tayo ng bangka.
Hi! I have my...
Ano yan?
Akong magsasaka.
And dumating na yung ibang tropa. So we're heading to the boat area. As you can see, there's a lot of people. Oh, and hello, Baby Oi. You see, there's buses and buses of people coming in because it's a holiday today.
Where are we going?
It's like there's no COVID right here in Vietnam right now. You see a lot of people. Ayan, papunta na kami ngayon sa boat. You have two choices when you're going for an island hopping. Either you choose the group tour or the private boat. We have opted for the private boat because there's 12 of us. Ayan, sinecheck pa yung mga documents. No. After having finalized all the documents that we need, we're about ready to go.
At last.
Alright. So, pag magta-travel kayo in Vietnam, you have to bring your TRC because they're so strict on the COVID-19 virus. Okay? Muntik na hindi makasama si Yon Yon dahil doon. Okay, we'll be right back when we board the boat.
Hello guys!
Hello guys, we're back and we're going to our boat. We took a private boat actually. So this will... Hold on, we're going to the boat. So like I said earlier, you have two choices. You can either take the private boat or you can join a group tour. the advantage of taking a private boat is you have control of the boat actually. Yeah, because it's private. So you can go anywhere, you can stop anywhere. Okay, they're boarding the boat. Sige, kaya natin ito. Thank you. So we are now on the boat. So we're about to leave, and it's required to wear your life vest. Say hi. So we're leaving the port.
Hindi malansin!
So, dito na tayo sa first stop ng ating island hopping tour. Hello! Di ko alam kung anong gagawin natin dito, pero maraming tao na nagsiswimming, as you can see at the background. So after a long day at the beach, eto na sila nag ice drop dahil pagod.
Hi! Sarap! Ito yung ice drop na tinusok sa barbecue stick. yung kay server yun, literal na ice drop.
Okay, ano sa akin? Nag-drop.
Nahulog eh, yan o.
Ginawa niya.
Ito mo evidence.
Masarap yung lemon, maalat-alat.